Hello world, welcome to another video of NCS movies. 13 December. Today is that special day to me, which comes once every year. I decided to spend it by going on a rail funning trip, but Mother Nature had other ideas. Cyclone Varda had its effect here in Bangalore too. It was raining non-stop and freezing temperature meant I had to stay back at home. The only trains which I could see from my home was the Bangalore Metro. A thought came to my mind that I should upload a special video, and I wanted it also to be the one where I had to go against all odds to capture it. I guess it is, and I will let you all decide about it. I would like to thank you all once again for the continuous support for my channel, without which I would not have come this far. This was filmed during my journey between Mumbai and Pune. And this video is from the Monsoon Magic series. The special thing about this chase is that I'm on board a Pune bound train and the other train has come from Pune. Isn't it unique? Looks like G7 has no fight in it. Well, I was wrong. It comes back hard at us. I had to stop recording as my memory card got full. The Bhusawal Express had to slow down as it did not have a clear path into Kalyan, and thus ends this epic battle between two trains. Hope you all enjoyed the chase. Can I have 100 likes for the special upload? Thanks for watching.